Have you ever planned an exciting trip abroad, only to realize you need a travel visa first? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get a travel visa step by step, so you can travel with confidence and avoid common mistakes. First, check if you actually need a visa. Not every country requires one. Some countries allow visa-free travel, or offer visas on arrival depending on your passport. For example, citizens from different countries may have different visa requirements when visiting places like the United States, United Kingdom, or Schengen Area countries in Europe. The easiest way to check is by visiting the official immigration website of the country you want to visit. Next, determine the type of visa you need. There are different visas depending on your reason for travel. The most common one is a tourist visa, but there are also student visas, work visas, and business visas. Make sure you apply for the correct category to avoid rejection. Now, it's time to prepare the required documents. Most visa applications require several important documents. These usually include a valid passport, usually valid for at least 6 months, a completed visa application form, passport-size photos, travel itinerary such as flight bookings, hotel reservation or accommodation details, proof of funds like bank statements, travel insurance in some cases. Always double-check the exact requirements on the embassy or consulate website, because they can vary from country to country. The next step is submitting your application. Depending on the country, you can apply online or in person at an embassy, consulate, or visa application center. Some countries now use online systems like the Electronic Travel Authorization, ETA, or the Electronic System for Travel Authorization to make the process faster. After submitting your application, you will need to pay the visa fee. Visa fees vary depending on the country and type of visa. Some can cost around $30, while others may cost over $150. In some cases, you may also be required to attend a visa interview at the embassy. During the interview, officials may ask questions about your travel plans, financial situation, and whether you plan to return to your home country after your trip. Just answer honestly and confidently. Once everything is completed, wait for processing. Visa processing can take anywhere from a few days to several weeks. It's always best to apply at least 1 or 2 months before your travel date. If your visa is approved, congratulations! Your passport will be returned with the visa sticker or digital confirmation. Now you're ready to pack your bags and start your journey. But before traveling, remember to check entry requirements again, including vaccination rules or travel regulations that may change. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more travel tips and guides. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.